Hi there everyone, welcome back to Engineering Pritam. In this video, we will talk about hole type as diameter or diameter type hole inside PTC Creo Parametric. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Okay, so now here we can see we already have opened this model inside PTC Creo Parametric environment, and let me click here on hole, which is here in engineering group. And now let me actually place it here, and now let's choose type as diameter. Now here what we need to do is we need to provide him a reference, for example this one, and now we need to provide an axis, which will act as a radius. Okay, so there we go, we have provided both these dimension, and now here we can see the radius that I was mentioning here is from here to here, and then since this is diameter, so we can define, let's say, this as 120. So basically the center distance between the axis which we have used as a reference and the axis of this new hole that we are trying to create is 60 mm, which is half of this diameter. Now again, the another good thing here we are getting is this angle. So we basically have defined this as a reference and this axis as a reference. So with one axis we are getting this linear value or offset value. With another reference we can basically set up angle. So now let's make it 90 degree, and we can also preview it here how it will look like or how it will revolve around this axis. Let's make it 30 and let's see where the placement will be. So here we can see it is going slightly out, and then this is 45 degree placement. So in this way guys, based on our need, we can define this diameter type of hole inside PTC Creo Parametric. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then do like and subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow complete PTC Creo Parametric series, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.